Hey guys, and welcome back to RIA'S World of Ideas. Today's video I have a spring Dollar Tree DIY for you guys, and it's actually 3 of them that I have for you guys in today's video. I might come back with a part 2 video because I am getting inspired by all these videos that I see and all these pictures that I see on Instagram of all these DIYs people are creating for the spring. And also I have some more farmhouse decor to share with you guys because I've really been inspired to make more farmhouse DIYs on a budget for my home. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and if you are new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscriber button and also hit the notification bell before you leave this video. So let's just jump right into the video, and so I can share with you guys these beautiful spring DIYs on a budget. For my first DIY, I took this kind of spring dangling decor. It came with like 4 square pieces on it on a ribbon, and you can hang it up. It was meant to be decor to be hung up, but when I saw this, I instantly thought of that I can make a flower box out of them. So they come apart easily from the ribbon, and I'm going to use just some hot glue to connect them together to create a flower box. So then I can add some Dollar Tree flowers to create a beautiful arrangement for spring. To create a bottom for this flower box, I'm going to use some leftover tag board that I had from another project, but you can also purchase them at Dollar Tree. And I'm going to use the box to trace out a square onto this tag board to create the bottom. But I'm going to trace the square in the inside of the box because I want the tag board to kind of fit snug inside the box as opposed to being outside the box on the bottom, because then you will see the tag board kind of lifting up the flower box and it doesn't look right. So you want to draw your box from the inside of the flower box so that the piece of tag board will fit snug inside the box and it won't be shown it will be shown outside the box. For the flowers, I decided to use these from Dollar Tree because I felt like they looked like the flowers that were actually already in the box, so I thought they would go well with them. But you can use any flowers you like. Now, as I'm putting them in the box, I like to slide the green leaves up towards the flowers. That way it makes it more full once it goes into the box. And I like to bend my flowers and put them inside my box this way because just in case I want to reuse these flowers for another DIY project, I don't want to cut them and ruin them and not be able to reuse them. So I just bend them and put them in here, and because I'm bending them, I don't have to use that greenery that you usually put inside to stick the flowers into, that kind of foam. These 2 bushes of flowers actually, or these 2 bunches of flowers actually fit good and snug in this box, so I did not need to use the foam for it, and 2 worked just fine to fill this little box. And this is how the first DIY turned out, and I just love this cute little flower box. You can use it to decorate any parts of your home, and you can even take this to your job and decorate your office or your desk with this little spring flower box. I love the colors of spring, and I love the fact that this DIY only cost me $3 to create it. For this next DIY, I'm going to be using this Hello Spring kitchen towel. When I saw this towel, I knew that I could make a pillow out of it. You guys know that I love to make DIY pillows for the holidays. I've done so many on my channel before, and usually when I make them, I'll take 2 kitchen towels and create a really long rectangular version of a pillow. But for this one, because the kitchen towel had the Hello Spring in the front and the back, I only need to use one towel to actually create this pillow. It is going to create a smaller pillow, but I'm just using it as an accent pillow for a basket and also for the chair. So I felt like this would be perfect size for a little accent type of Hello Spring decor pillow in my home. Once I have folded the towel and laid it out flat, I'm going to use some fabric scissors and I'm going to cut down the middle of the towel. Then I'm going to cut basically that little green border that you see. I'm going to cut along that green border, and that is going to kind of be my guide on where I'm going to put the hot glue at to stick the two pillow pieces together. Once I was done cutting the pieces out, I took the sides that had the patterns on them and put them back to back before I started gluing. Now when you do this, you want to make sure that you have the sides that say Hello Spring going the same way so that they look the same way on both sides of the pillow. I then took my glue gun and started gluing down all the edges and pressing them down as I went. And I'm going to keep gluing until I get to all of the areas and then leave a small hole opening for the stuffing. Once the glue has dried, I pull the fabric through that small hole and begin to stuff the pillow. Once the pillow was all stuffed, I used my hot glue gun and some clothespins to close the hole. And this is how my cute little Hello Spring pillow turned out. You can use this pillow anywhere in your home, but I wanted to share with you guys that it would also look cute in a basket. And I actually think I might paint this basket white because I think the white will go better with the colors of this spring pillow. For my last spring Dollar Tree DIY, I basically took this wood flower box that I shared with you guys over Christmas that I made out of Jenga block pieces from Dollar Tree, and I basically took out the Christmas flower arrangements from them and added some spring flowers to them. So I took some purple and white lavender flowers that I found at Dollar Tree and kept the white candles and added them to this box to decorate for spring. And I just love how this looks and how this sits on my dining room table. I really love this flower box that I created because I can use it all year round. All I have to do is just switch out the flowers to go with the season or the holidays. If you haven't seen this video, I will put a link up above in a card and also in the description box below to show you guys how to create this flower box out of those Dollar Tree Jenga block pieces. It was so easy to make, but I love the way it turned out, and it was way cheaper than buying those wood flower box at the store. And that is it, you guys, for my spring Dollar Tree DIYs. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope I gave you guys some inspiration to create some DIYs, some spring DIYs of your own in your home. Let me know down in the comments below if you recreate this. I love to see when you guys take the ideas that I share with you guys and kind of put your spin on it and recreate them. So please share them with me down below or tag me on Instagram so I can see all your beautiful creations. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you're not a subscriber already, because that really does help out my channel. And also, if you do subscribe, don't forget to hit that notification bell so you're always notified on all the new videos that I put out. And I do have some great ideas coming up for you guys. And also, like this video if you enjoyed it. And if you didn't enjoy it, put the unlike, the down button, and just let me know what you didn't like about the video. I always like to have, constructive criticism, and I always want to know what you guys liked and didn't like, and that way I can work, on my next video with that. So let me know down in the comments below what you didn't like, and also what you did like, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye, guys. Hey guys, don't forget to click on the picture in the middle of the screen so you can subscribe to my channel and get notifications on all the new videos that I put out, and check out these other 2 videos that I have posted on my channel on either side of my picture. Have a great day.